Did you know you can request things completely free from your stateroom host? From saving $20 a night on corkage fees to literally doubling your balcony space, here are 10 room requests that can really change your Disney Cruise Line experience. Let's dive in. Number 1 is fresh ice daily. Now, when you walk into your stateroom, you'll notice you have a beverage cooler. Notice I did not say a refrigerator. Now, while these things keep your drinks cool, they do not keep them ice cold. If you love a crisp, cold drink, then just ask your stateroom host on day 1 for a bucket of ice. Once you ask, they will refresh it for you twice daily, both in your morning service and your turn down service in the afternoon. The great thing is you never have to ask them again. They will just automatically do it for you. Number 2 is a real corkscrew. Now, as a reminder, you can only bring 1 bottle of wine or 1 bottle of champagne or 1 6-pack of beer on your Disney cruise in your carry-on bag on embarkation day. You can no longer purchase them at the port. You can only bring them on embarkation day. But moving on from that, for that bottle of wine that you did bring on day 1, if you take it to the main dining room, you will be charged a $20 corkage fee just to open it. Skip that fee entirely and ask your stateroom host for a corkscrew. Open it in your room for free, pour a glass, and walk right into dinner holding it. Which brings us directly to number 3. Real wine glasses. Do not drink your favorite wine or champagne out of paper cups. Instead, your stateroom host can bring you wine glasses right to your room. There's nothing quite like sitting on your veranda with your glass of champagne or glass of wine, watching the ocean go by, and drinking your beverage out of proper glassware. If you've cruised before and want to skip the sail away party, though I don't necessarily recommend this, but if you want to skip the sail away party and instead watch the ship sail away from the privacy of your own veranda, or if it's bedtime and the kids are finally asleep, you can have your own private date night right on your veranda with your glass of champagne or your glass of wine. Next up, let's talk comfort. Number 4, extra pillows and blankets. Cruise ship pillows can be a bit soft and squishy, so for someone like me, I usually need like 3 of them to get a good night's sleep. Plus, if you are cruising while pregnant, you know how crucial pillow placement is. On our very first cruise, I was 21 weeks pregnant with my youngest, and you better believe I had to request some extra pillows to get comfortable. Do not hesitate to ask for extra bedding. I promise you, you will get your best night's sleep on a Disney cruise, especially if you maximize your comfort. Number 5, you can ask them to unlock your veranda partitions. This is a massive game changer if you are sailing with family. We went on the Disney Dream with my sister, my brother-in-law, and my 2 nieces. We had adjoining rooms, and we sat on our verandas and just like all hung out together. Now, if you do know this little tip, you can ask your stateroom host to remove that door, and they have a special key. Imagine being out there, you're not squished, you're with your family, you're all sitting on your now like double the size veranda, watching the ocean go by. It sounds absolutely magical. Number 6 is extra hangers. Now, full disclosure, this is something we will never ask for because I am someone who lives out of our suitcases. I don't even take my packing cubes out and put them in the drawers. I like living out of our suitcases. But if you're someone who likes to hang up all of your clothes and utilize all of the hangers and then some, and you need more, you can definitely ask your stateroom host to do this. The closets do come with a standard number of hangers, but if you are traveling with a larger family, maybe you're a family of 5 like us, you might need some extra hangers, so don't hesitate to ask your stateroom host because they can definitely provide those for you. Now let's get into some logistics. Number 7 is an extension cord, but there's a little bit of a caveat here. Disney is incredibly strict about fire hazards. If you have anything in their restricted list, they will remove it from your luggage before you get on board. However, if you are someone that, say, travels with a CPAP machine and you need an extension cord, all you have to do is ask your stateroom host and they will give you a cruise approved extension cord so that you can hook up your CPAP machine and get a good night's sleep. Number 8 is the ultimate lifesaver for parents. There are a number of baby and toddler care items that you can request from your stateroom host. Now, many of these things you can ask for ahead of time, and I would advise asking for them ahead of time because Disney Cruise Line does have a limited number of these things. But if you happen to forget, you can request them once you're on board. So things like a diaper genie, a bottle warmer, bed rails for the flip down beds, and even a full-sized pack and play. We requested these things ahead of time, and when we entered our stateroom, our crib was ready, our diaper genie was ready, our bed rails were ready to go. So don't worry if you need any of those baby care items, and definitely check Disney Cruise Line's website for any additional items you might need. Like, we did not need a bottle warmer, so so I nursed my kids, so I just didn't need that. But if you're someone that does need that or need other things, just always check Disney Cruise Line's website for their latest details, because sometimes they add things, sometimes they remove things. So before your cruise, here's a little bonus tip. Just always check their website to see what's available. Number 9 is extra towels. Now, if you have multiple little ones like we do, you may find yourself going through towels a little bit quicker than, say, if you are 2 adults in one stateroom. Let your stateroom host know on day 1 that you need an elevated towel count. They will happily leave you a double stack during their morning round, so you are never left searching for a dry towel. Number 10, room service. Now, while this doesn't actually come from your stateroom host, I did want to leave it in there because it is something that can be delivered to your room. As a reminder, on the Disney Adventure, it currently does have a fee. On the rest of the fleet, as of the time of filming, it is still free, so just keep that in mind. Now, we are not big room service people, but we do enjoy getting room service from time to time. Sometimes we like to get some dessert, you know, some cookies and milk or some cake or what have you once in a while. So it is nice to have that option. We really do prefer the pool deck food over anything else, but occasionally we do love to get some cake or cookies, like I said, or a Mickey ice cream bar, of course. So just know that that is an option as well. Now, I want to hear from you. Is there anything on this list that you didn't know about, or is there anything that I didn't have on my list that I should know about? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you want to know what free things, yes, free things that you can take home from your stateroom, then watch this video next. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a question mark in the comments down below.